Good morning, traders. This is Shogun Chart 247. I train traders how to trade in harmony with the market. So today I'm going to do a simple explanation about how to trade a trending market based on the simple principle of price behavior. Okay, what is a trend? A trend, if you're thinking about downtrend, series of higher highs or series of lower highs and lower lows. Okay, if you're looking at uptrend, series of higher highs and higher lows. This is simple in theory, but in terms of execution, it can be tricky if you don't understand what you're looking at. So the tool I'm using today, okay, you can find it on TradingView. It's called the, let me just put it here, multi-length market structure. Okay, this one here. I've configured it to my settings, and the settings is very simple actually. We've got the 13, 3, 13, 68. I've just used 3 for most of this because it's got like 6 uh pivot settings in there. Okay, yesterday we had a breakdown, okay, from this momentum high. This for us, we're looking for a confirmation that this high has become a high. I remember I did a video a couple of months ago how to identify what a high is and what a low is. So I'm sure you guys can find it on my posts. So when we have the first lower low, this high is not confirmed. The high confirmed when we had the second lower low. At this second lower low, this now becomes a high. Then it, the button is passed on to the low. When are we going to be able to confirm if this low is a low? It's the same logic. Minimum, it could be more, but a minimum of 2 higher highs. So we had the first higher high here. Look at this, how long it took them, lower high, higher low, all sort of moves there. Consolidation, breakdown. Then we add this first higher high, followed by lower low, lower high, higher low. Boom, we had the second higher high. Then when we have this second higher high, this is the clue. This is the first time we can say now we have a low. So in theory, our wave structure looks like this. Price move in trends and the trend will move in waves. So now, as you guys know, I like to count the waves. This is our wave structure. Okay, why? Because we now have, this is not confirmed yet. How will this be confirmed? It's simple. I've already explained it. This is now a potential lower high. This is a high confirmed high. This is a low confirmed low. We have a momentum. The rule is momentum precedes prices. So when we have a momentum, we need to see a pullback, a structural pullback that will make this a low. We have seen that. Now we can look for execution. I'm already selling this. Okay. The reason I'm doing that is simple. We now have a low. This is a valid move. We've come above here, change of character. We have not seen a follow through. Okay. If you look at this on a smaller time frame, actually no, just looking at this alone gives it away. Okay, that's there, gives it away. A break followed by another break and a test of the break line. We should see a move down. What I'm going to do is use this high as a stop loss. Okay, oops. Okay, so that will be my stop loss on 1480. Then we can give it 5 pips, 85. You shouldn't give it more than that. This high is confirmed. This potential lower high is confirmed. Then we should be looking for a continuation move to the downside. The idea is simple. We can use the Fibonacci to determine our potential target area. I'm going to use the key ratio, lock this in. Oops. So this is the first target here. This is the second target, and so on and so forth. Another thing that we can do is to use the extension. Highs to low to the pullback. There's the pullback. I need to move this around a little bit. So why the reason I do this is because we have been able to identify that when these two Fibonacci's gives us confluence, that price tends to be a solid area of target. And look at this. This is where we have a confluence, T2 and the 100% extension. Okay, so this here is a good one. We have another one here. We'll look at the extension one and 200%. That's a good one as well. Okay, for me, the Cardian is a very good pair to look at trading for today, because we've seen the correction, we've seen the move, and during the New York session we should see a move back to the downside. That's my play. Okay, and that's the way I'm going to approach this. If you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. My name is Shogun Chat 247. See you guys in the next video. God bless.